To do this.
Yeah, okay, so those who don't know, we're listening to Say It Right, and Allie's coloring Cynthia's shirt.
My Clemson shirt, to be exact.
The one I'm wearing the one too, so.
Woo! That tickles!
Yeah, that's on her boob right there.
You knocked out the power cord, Tina.
Sorry, God.
It's alright. Oh God, you're tickling me.
I would be done.
Oh God, you suck at coloring. You're so out of the line.
I know, right?
It's not my fault you're moving.
Okay, I got Cynthia's face. That's good.
Do you guys like how much I care that I'm totally coloring her boob?
It tickles so much.
I don't really care that I'm touching your boob while coloring.
I don't care either. Oh, I can't feel that one. I should wear this to school.
You should.
Wear it into the band and
Be like, Allie colored my shirt last night.
Well,
Yeah, you want to see the video?
Hi, the S and the O done.
I'm gonna have sun written on my shirt. Yeah, son.
I'm gonna end this, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.